So let me tell y'all how I feel about this wig, okay? Woo! Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Christina with her K. Hey, Christina with her K. Hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Welcome back to my channel. How y'all feeling today? Are y'all ready for holiday? Am I giving you holiday? This is December, y'all. Like, this is the month of magical, feeling good, beautiful, whatever. So today we are talking about this Outre Jaylani wig on my head. I got a lot to tell y'all about this wig. I have a lot to tell y'all about this wig. So this wig was filmed all throughout the day because the time has changed. Zoom parties was happening, school, all that stuff. But I got a lot to tell y'all. She's cute, but if you want the whole tea, definitely stay tuned. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, and let's just go ahead and jump into it. So this is the Perfect Hairline Jaylani wig. I have the color Cinnamon Wine. This color is bomb, y'all. Look at this color. This is the fake scalp here. We'll talk about that. And this, you get an adjustable strap. This lace didn't match my skin, but look at this fake scalp. Seriously, like, what were they thinking? This looks like a wig cap. Let's fix that. Bam! I cut that mess out, y'all. So I use a seam ripper to cut this out. I didn't go in depth of how I cut it out because I actually have a few videos that I'll link below of how I do it. So basically using a seam ripper, that's the key, and you just go along the thread and you cut that light thread out. But you do it really slow because you don't want to rip your lace. Now I'm just going in with this lace tint spray. Use whatever you need to use. I use spray, you could use makeup. I'm just doing it to match it to my complexion. Now that the lace matches my skin, I'm just going to go ahead and tweeze this hairline. I feel like this hairline is just way too straight on these perfect hairlines, so I like to just pluck it out a little bit just to kind of make it look a little bit more realistic. And to secure it, I like to secure it in sections. I start with the front and I use my bedhead spray and I basically just melt it in with the bedhead spray. It's a process. I know I'm speeding through this, but it is a process. You just melt it and secure it. I like to also go in with a cool blow dryer after I use my comb, and I like to secure it some more that way too. So now I like to cut off the lace with an eyebrow razor shaper. I like it because it's not as straight as using scissors, and the more jagged, the more realistic it looks to me. Then I like to put some more bedhead spray on the lace and melt it in some more. I think that's the key after you're like done cutting the lace because it tends to lift. Then I tie it down with this elastic band and voila. Oh, y'all like that transition? So you don't have to use like an elastic band, but I like to use the elastic band with my edge scarf. This is melted, y'all. Like, it's really, really pretty. Then I just wipe off like the excess. I know I'm like speeding through this, but I know y'all don't have no time. Just work with me. So you wipe off the excess with like alcohol and you melt it in some more, put some makeup, just basically blend it, whatever you need to do to blend it into your skin. So we are back and let's go ahead and talk about this wig. The lighting may be a little bit different because the time has changed. The kids were in school. I could not talk to y'all earlier. Y'all know how it is. Stop acting like y'all know how it is when these kids be on that Zoom and the teachers be over there talking and stuff. You know how it is. So the time has changed. Blah, 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 blah. Today we're talking about this Outre Perfect Hairline. I'm just going to give you a few specs real quick. If you don't want to hear the specs, go ahead and skip. Do what you want to do. So this is the Outre Perfect Hairline. This is a 13 by 6 lace frontal. I have the style Jaylani and I also have the color Cinnamon Wine. This one has a fake scalp in it, okay? So it came with this fake scalp. Y'all know how I feel about fake scalps. If you saw while I was putting this wig on my head, I cut that fake scalp off. I didn't go in depth on how I cut it off because I have done 2 videos on how I've cut the fake scalp out of these wigs, and if you want to see that, I'll link them up here. I cut it out of the Bobbi Boss, I think it was Beverly, and also the Motown Tress Audie wig. So if you want to see a new depth of how I cut the fake scalp out, you can definitely check those videos out. So this is a synthetic wig. You get your lace parting. You can part her wherever you want to part her. You can put it in the middle. You can put it on the side. You can do what you want to do. I did go in and swoop a little bit of baby hairs because I feel like with these colored units, you know, swooping some baby hairs does help. It is looking a little shiny. That's just because of the spray and the time and the lighting and all that stuff. Clean that up if you want to. You get all this nice parting space in here. You can part her. You can put her up. You can do what you want to do. I did also go ahead and tint this wig, and then when I was done, I used my makeup just to kind of blend it a little bit more, and I used my contour stick to kind of darken it a little bit more. So let me tell y'all how I feel about this wig, okay? Outre, y'all know I love y'all. Y'all know I love you guys. I absolutely adore Outre, okay? This is a synthetic wig. I feel like this wig is actually a good practice wig for people that want to get into lace frontals and play with melting laces and all that stuff, but don't want to invest in a human hair wig. I feel like this is absolutely that wig. This is a synthetic wig. So you're going to get a little bit of snags. You know, the color is looking a little bit more shiny now that the time has changed. Put some dry shampoo on there. I like this wig. I think she's cute, but she's synthetic. I think she's a little flat. She's a little flat to me. This wig actually reminds me of the Outre Shade wig. The only difference is that she went and got like implants or whatever you want to call that fake scalp. She went and got some work done and got a fake scalp, and boom, that's what they did to this wig. But this is a straight synthetic wig. She's actually a little thinner than Shade, but you know, she's still your classic straight synthetic wig. This is what she's looking like in the front and in the back. So she's actually not as long as Shade, and she's not as thick as Shade. As far as tinting the lace on synthetic wigs, I feel like now that I've gained a little bit more practice and all of this, you can do it. It's just that this wig is not for beginners. This is also not like a typical human hair wig. It takes work to melt these synthetic wigs. Like I said, the time has changed. We've been working on this wig all day. The lace is a little bit olivey, so you do have to match it to your skin. You can get a cast, or I'm not even sure if I'm getting a cast. I think she melted. I think she melted. She better be melted. You definitely have to put some work into these wigs, but I feel like they're good wigs for if you want to get a human hair dupe of straight or any kind of frontal with this perfect hairline. You definitely can do that. I did go ahead and tweeze the hairline a little bit. I feel like on these perfect hairlines, it's just way too straight. So you gotta pull some hair out just to kind of get it a little jagged, or just use your razor, cut her up some. That'll work too. Also, with these baby hairs that I swooped, I'm not even sure if I did it on camera, off camera, what I did. I don't even know how this video is gonna be edited, because like I said, we've been playing games all day. You know like that relationship where you just back and forth playing games. I don't know if I love you. I think I love you. I don't know if I love you. That's exactly what this wig was giving me. So I just don't know. So with these baby hairs, I did go in with this ORS grip gel for my baby hairs because I feel like it's thicker, and with synthetic wigs and trying to lay baby hairs, it's just difficult sometimes because of the fibers. It doesn't lay the same way that a human hair would lay, so keep that in mind. So I did also secure this wig with my bed head, and the bed head is secure. She is not coming. We are ready for a Christmas fight or a Christmas fight in the bed. Whatever fight y'all want to do, we ready. We ready. She ain't coming off. She ain't coming off. You know what I'm saying? Overall, I like the color. I think she's a good holiday kind of look. I think this color is definitely a color that you need for this time of the year. But as far as for beginners, stay away. Don't play. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. But she's cute. She's a look. So we get a lot of nice colors in here. You're gonna get like chocolate cream, ginger brown, creamy mocha. I have seen, I think it's this blonde one on Kharizma's World, and this like streaked color one the creamy mocha or chocolate cream. I don't know which one it is. I don't feel like checking my phone, y'all. I'm being lazy. My girl, I am Carrie. What's your name? She was Makeup by Carrie before, but now I am Carrie. I'm gonna leave a link below. Y'all know these people be changing up their names every other day. I'm gonna leave a link below to 2 different colors if you want to see 2 different colors. I actually do like the cinnamon wine in this. I feel like the color is a nice color. As much as it's just straight looking red, it's actually some dimensions in here. It's kind of hard to see, but you got like a little bit of amber mixed with like the red color. So it definitely is a nice little blend. I'm feeling holiday-y. I think this color is awesome. I like it. I think red, y'all might see this combination a lot with this vampy lip. If you want to know what this lip is, this is Fenty Mademoiselle, or I don't know what color this is. Y'all, I've been filming this wig all day. I don't know what's happening right now. Throw a red vampy lip on there with some eyeshadow, and bam, like you look like you festive. You are ready. You know what I'm saying? She does have layers in here. You know, she's cute. She's a cute straight wig if you feel like playing with her. Also, with synthetic wigs like this, as far as tangling goes, she's going to tangle. What you do for that, okay? I don't want to discourage y'all, but what you do, you easily fix the tangles with this wig with a blow dryer. It's so easy to just fix the tangles because you are going to get a little bit of snags on this, but just get a blow dryer. See? And you get a blow dryer, and that's all you need to do to fix the snags. Don't worry. Just because it starts tangling up on you, you know, it is synthetic, but understand what you're paying for. It's synthetic, okay? This wig is kind of like in the $40 to $45 range. It's a lot of sales going on, so I don't know what the real price is, but it's kind of about the most $45 depending on your site. I feel like she's a good straight wig if you're ready to play with frontals and you want a straight look. And like I said, look at this. That blow dryer, put that blow dryer on her. You know, some of these friends, you just gotta help out a little bit. It's not human, but it could still work. This side is definitely tangling, but it's synthetic, guys. Y'all gotta understand what you paying for. Once you put your mind frame in what you paying for, you gonna be okay. This is my friend Outre. Me and Outre been to Target. We've been to Red Lobster. We've been to Walmart together, so I understand what my friend needs and wants before my friend even ordered a drink. I know who Outre is, so I'm okay with that. You may not be okay with the tangling, the shedding. It's a little bit of shedding. You know, I was getting some shedding, you know, as I cut the lace and stuff, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I think she's workable. I think she's workable. Y'all let me know what you're thinking about this wig. I've been rambling enough in this video. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.